anong gagawin? The scene is safe?
The scene is safe.
Karen?
Ito yung pang-third batch na susubok ulit ng ating CPR.
Proceed. Luhod.
Third batch niyan.
Hey, are you okay? Lakas! Dito sa balikan! Hey, are you okay? No response! Call for help! Sa kanya!
Chris, kisingin mo Chris!
Ikaw na naka-blue, tawag na ng ambulansya, kuha ng ihihibalik ka sa akin. Next, cover the patient's mouth with the mask. Then, check for pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walang pulso, walang paghinga. Chest compression. Ready? One hand on top of the other, center of the chest. Ready? Compress. Go. Bilang kayo.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Push
10.
hard. Ito ma.
Saan ka ba bumipisil, Chris?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push hard na. 11, 12, 13, 14.
Ang sexy, oh.
17, 18, 19, 20, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Puro sexy. Ay, pa isang sexy, oh.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Bakang!
Ano ba?
Last 20.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Hard.
18, 19, 20.
Okay, 200 compression. Next, check for. Hindi na muna kayo. Ano? Sakit. Hindi na. Namumula kasi na. Check for pulse. Nagkaman. Check for pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. May pulso, may paghinga. Place the patient ng recovery position. Taas ang kamay. Ng isa, lagay sa chest yung isa. Cross yung legs. Turn the patient. Hawak sa balakang, hawak sa shoulder. On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, turn. Okay, thank you. Kantahan ninyo, ha? Okay. Meron akong nakikita sa inyo.